I know how hard it can be to find quality solar rope lights without wasting your hard-earned money. That's why I took the plunge and tested these products myself. You're going to hear about my real experiences so you can make an informed choice without the guesswork. Product number 1, Aliexpress Solar Rope Lights. When I first unpacked the Aliexpress solar rope lights, I was immediately impressed by how flexible and lightweight they felt. At 39 feet long with 100 warm white LEDs, they seemed perfect for wrapping around my garden fence. I got to work installing them, and I must say the installation was a breeze. The lights can easily be bent into any shape, allowing me to create a cozy atmosphere in my backyard. What really stood out was the adjustable solar panel. I placed it in direct sunlight, and by nightfall, the lights were radiating a warm glow that transformed my outdoor space. They lit up continuously for about 10 hours thanks to the high-capacity battery, which was a pleasant surprise. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the upside, these lights are incredibly versatile. They can be used for various occasions, be it a wedding, holiday party, or just a cozy evening under the stars. The IP65 waterproof rating means they can withstand light rain, so I didn't have to worry about removing them during inclement weather. Plus, the energy efficiency of 19% is impressive compared to the standard 13%. On the downside, it didn't come with a remote control for ease of use, which can be a bit inconvenient if you want to change the settings from a distance. So, why should you buy these? If you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your outdoor aesthetics, the Aliexpress solar rope lights are a fantastic choice. They're eco-friendly, easy to install, and versatile, making them a great addition to any outdoor setting. Product number 2, the Ornivame Multicolor Fairy Lights. I decided to use these for a small gathering I was hosting, and boy were they a hit. The 33-foot length with 100 LEDs allowed me to drape them around my patio effortlessly. I was particularly taken by the way the multicolored lights created a lively atmosphere, perfect for the festive vibe I aimed for. One of the coolest features is the 8 different lighting modes. I could easily switch between settings to match the mood, whether it was a soft glow for a romantic dinner or a vibrant flash for our game night. Pros: the flexibility and durability of the lights are top-notch. They're made from high-quality materials, making them resistant to wear and tear. The IP65 waterproof rating means I could leave them out without stress, even during unexpected rain. However, the adjustable solar panel could be a little finicky to position correctly to maximize sun exposure. So why buy these lights? If you want something that provides versatility and can fit into any occasion, these multicolor fairy lights are a fantastic option. They not only serve as perfect outdoor decorations, but add a layer of fun and excitement to your gatherings. Product number 3, GLPE Solar String Lights. Moving on to the GLPE solar string lights, I was intrigued by the larger solar panel and the 66-foot length. When I set them up around my backyard, I was impressed by how bright and vibrant the multicolor lights were. I could choose from 8 different lighting modes, which was a bonus for creating an ambiance that fit every occasion. One night, I had a BBQ and the twinkling lights created a magical backdrop. The lights remained bright for several hours even after a full day of sunlight, thanks to the efficient solar panel. Pros include the extended length and the waterproof design, IP67, making them perfect for outdoor use in any weather. However, the remote control that comes with it could be more user-friendly. Sometimes it took multiple presses for it to respond. Why should you consider these? If you want something that gives you the flexibility to set the mood for anything from a casual gathering to a festive celebration, these solar string lights are a solid investment. They combine functionality, brightness, and aesthetic appeal beautifully. Product number 4, Lit Home Color Changing Rope Lights. The Lit Home Color Changing Rope Lights were an exciting addition to my outdoor decor. With 18 colors to choose from, I was able to customize the lights to match various themes throughout the year. I used the remote control to switch between colors and modes effortlessly. Setting up was straightforward. The lights wrapped around my trees and fences easily. What caught my eye was the timer feature that allowed me to select how long I wanted the lights to shine at night, making it convenient and energy efficient. On the Pro side, the remote control and diverse color options are fantastic. The lights also provide sufficient brightness for parties and casual evenings alike. However, the battery life could be better. I found that on cloudy days, they didn't charge as effectively, limiting their runtime at night. Why buy the lit home lights? If you love to customize your outdoor aesthetic and want variety, these color-changing lights are perfect for you. They're not just lights, they're a way to express your style and create memorable outdoor experiences. Product number 5, Cluisk Solar String Lights. I want to talk about the Cluisk Solar String Lights. This 40-foot set with 120 LEDs has been a fantastic addition to my indoor and outdoor setups. I particularly enjoyed the energy-saving aspect, as they automatically charge during the day and lit up at dusk. The 8 different lighting modes helped me to create different vibes for various occasions, from a cozy evening at home to a lively outdoor gathering. The pros include the impressive waterproof rating, meaning I could leave them out in all kinds of weather without worrying about damage. However, I did notice that the brightness could sometimes be a bit inconsistent, which was a minor inconvenience. So why buy these? If you're after a reliable and versatile lighting solution that provides good value for money, the Cluisk Solar String Lights are an excellent choice. They add a warm ambiance to any space and are perfect for all kinds of events and decorations. In conclusion, each of these solar rope lights offers something unique, whether it's versatility, color options, or durability. Depending on your needs and preferences, any of these would make a fantastic addition to your outdoor or indoor space. Choose wisely and enjoy the beautiful ambiance they create.